Coffee shop na kape pero lahat ng ingredients mo ay nasa bahay lang at mura pa. Ay, true! All you need is coffee and Coffee Mate. Kung coffee lover ka, try this hack. Simple lang, all you need are black coffee powder, Coffee Mate, sugar, microwavable jar. Ang best tasting coffee creamer for me na Coffee Mate, perfect din sa kape mo. Mas affordable na. 47 pesos na lang ang 150 grams na dating 54 pesos. At 65 pesos na lang ang 220 grams na dating 74 pesos. Mas pinasulit pa ang pinaka-favorite Coffee Mate. Let's try it! Put teaspoons of pure coffee powder in your favorite cup. Add half cup of hot water and mix. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, or pwede yung i-adjust yan according to your sweetness level. Mix, then set aside. Put 4 tablespoons of Coffee Mate in a microwavable jar and add warm water and mix. Then heat inside a microwave oven for 15 to 25 seconds on low heat.
Kung walang microwave, you may steam it in a pan on a stove.
Slowly pour on top of your coffee until the creamer reach top of cup. Kayang-kaya mo na din gumawa ng masarap na kape anytime sa bahay nang hindi napapamahal. Super sarap, kaya kayo mga momsies, try this coffee hack. Hindi lang dapat swak sa budget, dapat masarap.